Introducing the ClassicStar Plus Full Face Mask. Complete non-invasive ventilation solutions from the respiratory care expert. Dräger Original Consumables. Safe, effective, reliable. The Dräger sizing gauge helps you choose the right mask size. The masks are available in sizes small, medium, large and extra large. The Dräger sizing gauge helps you to choose the right mask size, avoiding unnecessary opening of the mask packaging. The ClassicStar Plus NIV Full Face Mask has a flawlessly soft, anatomically shaped, single-wall silicone seal and provides a gentle and comfortable fit. The ClassicStar Plus NIV Full Face Mask features an easy clean cushion, PVC and BPA-free. The headgear is already attached to the mask. This means that the mask is ready to be used as soon as it is removed from the packaging. First, unclip the lower headgear straps and extend both upper and lower straps to their maximum length. Then place the mask onto the patient's head. The Dräger ClassicStar Plus Full Face Mask has a 4-point adjustable headgear. The headgear can be adjusted at 4 individual points to provide secure, all-accommodating fit. First, adjust upper straps simultaneously with equal measure to avoid any lateral movement and incorrect placement of the mask. Then, simultaneously adjust both lower straps. When fitting, allow space for 2 fingers between the patient and the straps. The forehead support is easy to adjust and is fitted with a soft silicone pad to enable the mask to be individually adjusted to the sensitive bridge of the nose. This efficiently prevents pressure points and leakages. Soft silicone support. The soft silicone forehead pad anchors the mask in place and supports a gentle yet stable fit. Oxygen entrainment access. Supplemental oxygen can be added to the interface if not achievable via the ventilator or circuitry. Keep the oxygen port closed unless in use to avoid unintentional leak. The double swivel elbow allows full rotation by 2 axes for high flexibility. Quick release clips. The attachment clips can be removed by firmly pinching the release buttons. Complete non-invasive ventilation solutions from the respiratory care expert. Dräger, your specialist in acute care.